Let's talk about the literary device, diction. There are lots of words to choose from when making an argument, but some words are better than others. Some words will make your argument more convincing, while others will make it less convincing. Some words might even confuse your listener, and you'll completely lose their attention. An argument is always stronger if the right vocabulary is used. Consider the following opening sentence from Sally Sattel's argument in relation to the question of whether vaping is healthier than smoking regular cigarettes. The controversy surrounding electronic cigarettes continues to smolder. Sally Sattel begins her argument with a clever use of diction to draw the reader's attention. The word smolder has two meanings. On the one hand, a bonfire smolders when it burns slowly with smoke but no flame. And on the other, a feeling like resentment can smolder, meaning that it exists in a suppressed state. In her pun, Sattel is making use of both meanings. The reader sees the word smolder and thinks of the fire needed to light a cigarette, but at the same time, they also think of the word more metaphorically, like how an argument can go on for a long time, smoldering, just like the never-ending debate on whether e-cigarettes are healthier than regular cigarettes. A writer might also use a certain type of diction to lull you into their argument. For example, the issue was addressed immediately uses more formal diction than the problem was taken care of right away. Formal diction suggests education and knowledge. Informal diction helps the reader relate to the author on a more personal level. At the same time, formal diction can distance an audience, and informal diction can be inappropriate, so both have their advantages and disadvantages and should be considered carefully.